Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important and very creative for you, because in this video I will be sharing very beautiful, very pretty and easy to make hand knitted warm wool crochet convertible mittens, warm wool gloves, hand warmers, so that you could remain protected from this extreme cold weather, and at the same time you could also look classy and stylish. Friends, these mittens are extremely beautiful, eye-catching, and they are very creative at the same time. You only require, if you use thick warm wool, then you only require one focused attention hour to make them easily, because all of these patterns are very simple and easy, and especially crochet beginners could also try these patterns. The color combinations, the design techniques, and the front all over layout is extremely eye-catching. You can use them while creating, or you can use or wear them while doing any sort of activity, like using your mobile phone, like having a cup of coffee, tea, or any other eatables. These convertible mittens provide numerous number of benefits. That is, while utilizing or carrying out some activity, you can uncover or unclog the lid of these mittens and make them fingerless gloves. And when you are doing nothing, or your any sort of activity is not required or demanded, then you can cover the convertible mitten smaller hat type lid to keep your hands more cozy and warm. Like this, you can also hold on a cup of coffee, and after having the coffee you can simply maintain the temperature of your fingers as well. Friends, I hope my today's video was helpful for you, was effective for you, and you have got very creative and amazing ideas that how you can knit using the art of knitting and crochet. For having creative and stylish ideas related to knitting, crochet, like dresses, ponchos, cardigans, head warmers, footwear, slippers, bags, and much more, and different sorts of art of hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, and much more related to women fashion, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. If you really like the whole entire design collection, or any one of the designs shown in this entire video collection, then don't forget to like, share my videos massively with your friends and family. Keep supporting us, comment below the video so that we could get ideas and we could know about the interests and choices of your own, that what type of fashion requirements you have or what are your choices. So stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching my content. Allow me to leave. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care, spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for others.